Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to print out your form created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website and start creating your questionnaire, and when you are done, tap on this more button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on print form, which is the third option, and in a few seconds you will be able to see the preview of your form, and at the top of this section you can select your printer attached to your device. Then you can set the number of copies you would like to print. Also the pages can be selected, and if you are done, tap on the print button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.